Hello friends and welcome back to another gardening video. Today's video is all about Malabar spinach, also called as poi saag, and I'm going to show how you can grow this easily from seeds. In my previous video I had shown how it can be grown from stem cuttings, but as it is the summer season and my last year's plant had started giving out seeds, so I decided to make this video to show you how it can be grown easily from seeds. And once you buy this, you never have to go back and buy this from the shop because you can easily propagate them from seeds and stem cuttings. It is one of the best summer leafy vegetables and it is rich in calcium, which is good for the bone health. It prevents osteoporosis and other bone disorders. It is good for heart health. It's rich in fiber and helps reduce bad cholesterol from our body. And regular use reduces the risk of coronary vascular diseases. So over here, as you can see, I have dried out the seeds. So this can be grown by using these dried out seeds, or you can even use these fresh seeds. All you need to do is remove the outer pulp. You can also grow them with the pulp, but chances of growing them nicely happens when you remove the outer pulp. Otherwise, sometimes the seeds might just rot off. So this is the best way. And then after putting the seed in soil, water it and keep it in a semi-shaded area for a few days, and you will see that the seeds will sprout out within a few days. And in this manner you will get the sapling, and you have to allow the sapling to grow until it gives out like 6 to 8 leaves. These plants are available in abundance during the summer season, and it's really good because it helps protect the body from diseases by increasing the immunity, as the leaves are rich of magnesium, calcium, zinc, which helps boost immunity. And this is really good for skin as it contains high level of vitamin C, and it also helps increase the collagen production, which leads to good skin quality. And it's really beneficial for the summers when due to the heat of the sun we have a lot of skin issues. So over here you can see how the sapling is growing nicely. This grows really well during the summer season, one of the best vegetables to grow at home during the summers with the least amount of care, because it does not really need much care. All you need to make sure is that the soil is having a good balance of nitrogen, which is needed for the growth of the leaves. And over here I am going to transfer this plant into the pot, and this is the same pot where my older plant was growing because I didn't have any extra pot. So you can see when the plant has become this big, I am going to shift it into my bigger pot. So I am going to gently remove the plant from my container to make sure that the roots don't get damaged, and then I am going to shift it into the larger pot. So over here you can see how nicely the root system has developed, even though I had grown it in a really tiny container. So these are really easy to grow from seeds as well as from stem cuttings, but from seeds you can get a lot of plants from just one plant itself. So over here I'm going to dig up the soil a little bit more, and I'm going to plant it inside and cover it up with soil. And finally I'm going to add a little bit of water. Make sure that the soil is well draining because it loves water but it does not like standing water, and that will lead to root rot and even cause viral infection of the plant leaf. So after planting it, water it, and then water it when the soil becomes dry. I'm also going to add a little bit of my garden compost because the soil was not enriched enough. So you can use garden compost, or you can even use the neem khali. So these two fertilizers are really good for this plant, but don't use this during the hot summer seasons. But you can definitely use the water in which pulses have been soaked, especially these red beans. This is a nutrient-rich water and it does not cause any harm to the plant even during the hot summer seasons. And this will definitely make your plant give out greener leaves and it will grow really nicely. So whether it's rice water or dal water or any pulses, the water in which it is soaked, it can be given to the plant without any damage even during the hot summer season. And over here you can see how nicely the plant is growing. So in this manner you can easily grow these foliate rich plants even in small apartment balconies during the summer season. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.